Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to cover a topic that seems to cause a lot of confusion. Do you seal your wood before or after you stain? Now again, this really does seem to confuse people quite a bit, and there are people who say both. But I'm going to tell you as a general rule, it's actually quite straightforward. You always stain and then seal. You never seal the wood before you stain, because then you can't stain. The point of the sealer is to fill in all of those pores and everything and make it so you have a nice smooth surface. Stain, on the other hand, requires porosity to be able to soak into something. So to seal your wood before you stain it is kind of like putting a piece of saran wrap over top of a piece of paper and then trying to draw on it with a pen. It just doesn't really work generally. Now before you guys tell me, hey, there's more to it than that, of course, there certainly is. There are situations in which you would want to seal and then apply a stain. I know that doesn't necessarily make sense based on what I've just said, but let me talk about that for a second. So for example, on an oak or something like that, where you've got a nice general grain pattern and then some very open grain with those loops that you see in a wood like oak. If you can do both. You can stain it first and then put a coat of sealer so that that closed grain can't be stained anymore. Then you can, for example, go over that with a gel stain and squeegee it on there, and it'll only go into the open grain and it'll accent it quite a bit. It's a very interesting technique and something that you can do on a few different woods. But there are those who will tell you that, for example, sealing first helps you avoid discrepancies in grain porosity so that you get a more even stain. I disagree. Now this is supposed to be Quick Tip Tuesday, so of course we'll keep it quick. That essentially answers the question as far as I'm concerned. Do you seal before or after you stain? Well, in my perspective, you always stain first and then seal unless you're using a very specific grain accenting technique on a particular type of wood with specifically open grain. That's a lot of the word specific, isn't it? Anyway guys, I hope that helped. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate that, and subscribe if you haven't already so that you can hear some of the other tips that I've got and follow along with my projects. As always, thank you. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one, and I will see you next time.